How to download OBS Studio official site and official application? Please Google search OBS Studio. OBS Studio. Download. And after all, first of link, open broadcast software OBS. OBS, download OBS Studio for YouTube live streaming and Facebook live streaming and screen record high quality. So click OBS Studio, scroll down and download an installer. So click download an installer. Click download section. 149 MB megabyte, 149 megabyte OBS Studio size. So anyone help, please like and subscribe. Thank you.